find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is TV, it is Times World Sports Betting. I'm joined by Autiamu Bobzin, Borussia Dortmund 4, Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Bobzin, thoughts on the game? But before starting a game, I think Buze, Autiamu. Why are you allowing a USA? Maybe me and I can understand, maybe people might say he's not one of us anymore, but people don't know how much I love this football club. But think Buze and Autiamu, after putting so much work over 2 years, the past season we attended all the Mamelodi Sundowns matches, home and away. We traveled the entire country, you and I, out of our own pockets. We watched all the games with AFL. We were there when the club won the AFL and we got the news that we are going to the Club World Cup. We were dreaming to be there. But let me ask you, why are you here? Why are you not in the USA?
My leader, ngifuna ukuyilungisa la wena we are a Sundowns supporter my leader. Umuntu angayicabanga angayithathi ngenye indlela. So ithi ngiqale ngibulisa uJusto before ngikuphendula my leader. Ngibulisa uNkululeko uTso ngibulisa noJunior. My leader ngiyacabanga ukuthi sometimes kumele se respect i-decision yenziwe i-team. Ngiyacabanga labantu abahambile bayo represent i-team abantu abadeserve kusho kona ukuthi i-team ibabone kungabantu abaright ukuthi they can go and represent ama-supporter we-Sundowns, which is good. We are happy for amajita ukuthi bahambe nabo my sister bayo representa abalandeli ne-team nje ifana ne-Mamelodi Sundowns. So I think it's good man ukubona abalandeli bahambile ngalendlela bahambe ngakhona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi into enhle kakhulu my leader.
Bobzin, mina for me tactically ubheka iBorussia Dortmund iqala nge-3-4-3. Mamelodi Sundowns obviously plays nge-4-4-2. But i-4-4-2 yakhona inama-dynamics are different. Football is a game of overloads. And sometimes it's overloading a fullback, which is sometimes you have Aubrey, or sometimes it's overloading a number 10, which is Usalesa dropping into midfield to create that that box. But this time around, it's overloading Ribeiro on the right-hand side. I believe that it's because of the two fullbacks, the profile of the two fullbacks. Umdau is a fullback that can defend Ngama 1v1. He's got an exceptional recovery, but also is a fullback that plays on the line. Ulunga had defensive responsibilities. That's why besidlala Matthews. Matthews gives you two qualities. He's a winger that can play outside, angadlala inside. But today he had the responsibility of dlala outside because bebadlala nga-3. Nemodlala nga-3, hlezi kunala kumele uvule khona because kune space defense yadangalaza. Very impressed as well ngotebza, Cupido, Grant Nolunga on the left-hand side, to be honest with you, Bobzin. There were jewels that they lost, but I felt that the defense was organized other than the mistakes that we committed. Uchekama mistakes in the how we started the game. I said half time, we started the game very well. But credit to Borussia Dortmund, and I'll tell you why. There's two things engizifundile namhlanje Bobzin. It's the tactical application and the tactical execution. The importance here, analysis. Number one, they identified the right and the left-hand side defense of Mamelodi Sundowns. That's why they were overloaded. They were overloading a fullback. They were overloading a two number 10s. Julian Brandt today had the responsibility of always Malia forward. It takes a run on the right-hand side to cause confusion. So Grant doesn't know who to pick. Grant sometimes kumela follow riding. Sometimes Ulunga une option yokuthi kumela maku Julian Brandt or maki fullback. That's why in that goal abamshakona nge 2v1. I always asked ukuthi ama midfielder can they deal in a second action, more especially Paul Malingene center. But mangothi ya check abubzini namhlanje. A very, very, very impressive performance. But also this performance comes from the previous performance, Leye Ulsa, where I think it was a continuation of that performance because against the Ulsa, I think we played exceptionally well. I think from a tactical perspective, from a technical perspective, which is something Nhlezi emphasize. The more you have better technical players, the better your system. Because when you are able to find one another, it makes things easier, but also the profile of the midfielders. I said, have time, we needed them coolies. Because not everyone kumela pass in Bizeni. Utebza, I think the reason why baqale ngotebza umshishi no Alende is Alende ufuhleza afuna ama short pass. Yes, you can find a diagonal umshishi ufuna ukuhleza adlala ngesurrounding. Ngodlala nomshishi you must always have people closer to him. Exactly. But Utebza today I felt like he was one who could give us the element of driving with the ball. In midfield, that's why I said we need someone who can drive, push us a little bit closer into the final third. Exactly how Ribeiro scored the first goal. Because Ribeiro gets that ball in the number 10 position and it does exactly what's needed. Because Bobzin, Mangata check out the tactical application, your Borussia is they thought that Mamelodi Sundowns some players that cannot pick a pass. Maybe they bazozanga element of surprise. But what they shocked them is that in the red zone, besikwazi ukulibamba, si break ama lines. You understand the Bobzin? And I think they quickly identified that. That's why I'm saying credit to you, Purusha, for a tactical application here, to say, let's identify where the problem is. Where are the opening spaces? By midfield, ukuthi be narrow, but close the pace. And then they allowed us to come inside. Every time we free the fullbacks. That's why every time there was a free man, Guma wider areas with them bringing crosses. But let me get your thoughts.
Yeah. My leader, it's Sundowns. I think we played very well, my leader. Ngifuna ukutshela iqiniso lonke. Sidlalile into enze ukuthi Sundowns lose the game. Ama mistakes why? If ungayibheka. We made a lot of mistakes. Yeah, uma ungabheka. Sikhulumile half time uma ungabheka. Ama mistake afana neaka Ronza. Sometimes kunala kumele ungathatha risk, my leader. Kuna sihlala sisho sithi sithatha I moment siyenza into ongathi kumele ukuthi siyenze ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kunala khona mabakupressa, just kick the ball away, man. Uyabona ukuthi bakupressile. Okay, it's a mistake. Siyabuya senza enye futhi umdlalo ofana noTebza uluza lela bhola. Ngiyacabanga my leader ukuthi le game bengabalula, but iDortmund uma ungabheka de uyidlala ngakhona. They know how to win a game. They know how to win ama games. Abazange badlala uma ungabheka ama accurate passes, ubheke I-ball position, isesayitini leSundowns. And yonke lento le sometimes ayikunikeza iwin. Iwin uyithola ngani? Uyithola ngama results, ngama goal. You understand ukuthi igame iphele kanjani. So mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi iDortmund njengoba sisho ukuthi iba nesikhathi eride iSundowns ukuthi idlala kanjani. Then mabaqeda mabafuna igoli bazolithola. Uma sebalifuna igoli bona bazolithola kanjani. Ngalama mistake esiwanzile. Bheka le mistake yakaTebza baspressa nga4 uma ungayibheka. Baspressa nga4 la khona uTebza uma yenza le mistake benzeni two players baranele boxing same time. You understand? La khona bathatha ibhola balilethe eboxing. Sisangaka recover uyangithola then bayapanisha. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi iteam efana neDortmund isebenzisa experience my leader. Uma ungabheka bekushisa lapha iwena bengavumi ukuthi iDortmund bengagijima. But for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns bekumele yenze kangcono my leader. Ngifuna ukuba honest especially kulama mistake thina eswayenzile. Uma ungabheka the way Dortmund beyikhuphuka ngakhona ngalama fullbacks wayo. Then be share ama rest defense out 3. Sometimes bebalahla side. Ngibonile la khona uma uLucas azoba breaker. Bekusele 2 rest defense and bebavulele space because bakhuphuka ngalama wing back wabo. I think which is number 2. You understand? So thina bekumele ukuthi la khona sithola ichance iDortmund ilahle khona bekumele sipunish, but sihlulekile ukuyipunisha. But yona uma sithola silahle side yenzani iDortmund iyasipunisha. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuba nzima for thina manje because it's gonna be a must win game uma siyodlala ne team efana ne Fluminense and uyibonile leya team akusilula. Even if by win manje but 4 point then thina it's a must win because if by win about 4 point noma singadraw we are out. So la kule game my leader senza ama mistake amaningi sizidle thina my leader. Ngifuna ukutshela manga because if Sundowns bengayenzanga lama mistake esiwenzile ubonile namanje ukukhipha umdlalo I don't know ukuthi uTebza ulimele no Ribeiro. But for me ukukhipha umdlalo ofana no Ribeiro ngalesa sikhathi no Tebza bangalimalanga I think ngibona ngathi for me bekuyi mistake my leader because uthathu Adams okay umbonile ku Stellenbosch bekadlala leya position.
The boy doesn't look the same.
We understand that because
seems like the boy is going through things off the field because emotionally, amasokisi wabeka after ipidoli awayehlisa isikindi yasithakini yasikhipa. It seems like he's going through a lot. I think somebody needs to talk to him and tell him. I understand also the boy moved from Cape Town to Joburg. There's those little dynamics as well. You know, I think the boy, somebody needs to talk to the boy and make him understand that you're still a good football player. Just relax. You make sure that you understand that this is a profession. You know.
Yeah, akazange abebhete ngalo indlela. But the first 5-10 minutes kunama mistake awenzile. Ubonile ukuthi physical akekho strong. Kunala khona bebamshaya ngebhodi. Kunelinye esibene enhlanhla nakhona. But yena akazange abebhete ngalo indlela.
But Bobo yazini between uAlende no Jaden. I love uJaden no Alende man. One of the best uAlende that we have in the country. You know how I feel on Alende. But there's one thing that about Alende and about Jaden need to understand, more especially now Jaden, is that Nabo Petri, Nabo Vitinha, they do this. Not everything is short pass, 5 meter pass, 10 meter pass. Sometimes be arrogant. Check ukuthi scan ucheck ukuthi lo muntu opressa uzokuphi thela neball drive a little bit bese combination play and find a forward pass. You don't see that sometimes with Jaden or Alende is every time they receive the ball they play very basic. You understand, Bobs? And sometimes I want to see a little bit of arrogance where they will receive the ball 10, dlala combination play, drive into the final third, pass wing and join in the box. We are born another way than Joe bedlaling corner. Yes, very basic midfielder, but what it does is that he's got the ability of combination play the ball wide where there's no pressure, and then joins in the box, has a very good first touch, picks a spot. But very important, Bobzin, for me, three things that Mamelodi Sundowns learned in this game is the tactical execution and planning of Ilentuza. It's the counter press. The counter press here, Borussia Dortmund was very aggressive and very precise. But also, for me, a positional play. They play so much of a positional game. You understand, Bobzin? Bayazi ukuthi if he center back eliphethe ibhola la, if full back mele kuma zone, midfielder mele ngene kupuma ama zone, Ilentuza. I think for me, those are the greatest things that we need to learn as a country, because yes, we are good in terms of talented players. Yes, I also agree with the fact that pragmatic structures, rigid structures don't help us, because we need to free our players like Abo Mshisha, Abo Ribeiro. You cannot give them too many extensions. You need to allow the creative brain to always work. But I believe that tactical execution, where in terms of application, precision, those things need to be at the highest level. And learning from here is that Borussia, they didn't do anything wow, in my opinion. I think they didn't do anything wow. I believe that this is so much of a confidence booster, because yes, you can see the level in terms of mastering the basics, tactical application. Utebza in that mistake, I think it's a lesson. Utebza in that situation where he receives the ball, vula ibodi, give the ball direction. There's another option, pass allow pege corner. He doesn't have to take a negative touch. You understand, Bobzin? Also, we need midfielders that are able to drive and combine. Usales, I'm not problem no Sales, Bobzin. I'm not criticizing the player. The player is an exceptional player. For me, what I am saying is, we've got Uli Clark in that space. You've got Mkhulise in that space. For me, we cannot kill that. We need to give our players opportunities, more especially when it's deserved. Understand, Bobzin? Urenas, I love Urenas in terms of the application ever since this tournament has started. I'm excited to see the growth of Urenas in this competition. Uronza, I need him to head up. And know he's an experienced player, he's a professional. There's Dennis Onyango, there's Abo Hlompo, they will talk to him. I hope this doesn't kill his confidence, because for me, if we are check Agule a one-touch pass, it's also a petting play. Credit to Borussia Dortmund. I think that's another lesson we need to learn as a country, is that our analysts, sometimes they do work. Because if we check Borussia Dortmund, they studied Wong passing lane, Ronza from a build-up. Wong, they set traps. I think they knew that Uronza will want to play that pass every time Abam feed Pola, because if you are check how aggressive they were. Another thing, Bobo, is they also understand that because this is the highest level, you do not give players time on the ball, to think on the ball. Because they can pick a pass. You understand, Bobzin? But other than that, for me, as a Mamelodi Sundowns fan, as a South African, to watch Mamelodi Sundowns performing at that level in terms of the application, the level of professionalism, not giving up. I had said, much clearly enough time, when Nkulego said it's going to be 5-6, I said, I trust the professionalism of those players. It's about the application now. Who wants it more? And for me, the second half performance, unbelievable. And it puts us in a better position. No matter what happens against the Fluminense on Wednesday, I believe that the players are on a different level. And it's important for South African football clubs to take this competition serious. That's why, with the competitions that we have in South Africa, domestic, Nedbank, MTN 8, and so on, I believe that one of those trophies needs to be taken out in this country. Because anyone can win a trophy. We need to emphasize the importance of winning a league, because winning a league puts you in those positions. How many lives will those impilers change? Uli Clark, who is playing a Club World Cup, being in that stage, I love the fact that Mamelodi Sundowns is invested in marketing. They've also invested in showing us what's happening there in terms of the YouTube channel. How many of those players, you know, boxing when they went to Cicinesa? Steve Kompela, this is Azutebzutin. He comes to the screen and he says, this is the highest level of football. That's a perfect teaser. That's a teaser. That's a teaser for next season, when we start next season, or when we have a documentary, that this is the highest level of football. Because Bobzin, how many kids here coming from Soweto Umdao in 2016 begadlala ku JDR? Look at the performance he's doing. Look at the performance to Lodge. I Gaila against it. That now it goes back to, I can't wait for a round table, Nabu Mr. Nkeo. Where how do we make our players world class again? Let's not fail really in this country. If a player like Uripero, if a player like Abo Lodge, they can do it at the highest level like that. We need to get into a space where we have belief, we trust our players, that we can get them in a space where they become world class and they can perform at this stage. And for me, Mamelodi Sundowns and us watching it up, the other one that happened in 2016, 2017, we didn't pay too much attention onto that. This one has a lot of eyes, Bobzin. And I can tell you now, Bobzin, each and every child that's playing development football, each and everyone who's playing in second division has a dream of playing in the Club World Cup. I hope this does something to the other teams in the Betway Premiership, Pirates, the Chiefs. I need them to have higher standards, Bobzin. This is the season where Orlando Pirates needs to be a serious team. The players that they are signing, Abomremi, Abokwaiba, all of those players, I'm not saying anything, but for me, Orlando Pirates cannot go back to where they bring in 11 players. They need to be in a space where they bring in quality for them to compete, win the league, compete in the CAF Champions League so that they can be in these spaces. This space can change a lot of lives.
Yeah. My leader, lento ciceda ukuyisho ibaleka kakhulu, especially makhuluma ngabadlali abafana nobuLthako. Umbonile uLthako, he came in, wenza umsebenzi olula, ube ne-assist, umbonile ukuthi bekalidemand in the middle of the park. Ilento esiyidingayo. Just why kunamanye ama-sub today, ucoach ngibonile ukuthi balethile abadlali but angibonanga basinikeza nix. Umdlalo ofana no-Sales noMrena angibonanga basinikeza lento mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi bebangasinikeza yona. So I like the way umdlalo ofana noLebu angene wenza ngakhona. You know, ukhona ku-create space wenza ama-run as a striker, ube ne-good finisher, it's something good. AboLthako the way adlale ngakhona my leader, ngiyacabanga wenze kahle kakhulu. Nayo uJaden njengoba ngisho ngithi akazange abebhede ngalo indlela ukuthi angasinikeza something, but uRonza kumele afunde ukusave. I think abadlali beSundowns si-concentrate too much kudlala ibhola kuma build up. Uma ungabheka no-Allende kunala khona kumele enze ama-box entries, decision making ku-final third iyasilimaza. So we need ukuthi silene. uRonza kumele akwazi ukusave manje. Yes, uGudu umnandi enyaweni and uzomdinga kule game esiyakiyo because leya team iyadlalwa ngithola. So mina into engizama ukuyisho my leader, asizame ukuthi uRonza akwazi ukusave because ama-save abaleke kakhulu as a goalkeeper. That is why according to him, to me, kuye no Onyango. Sometimes Onyango uyamshaya ngama-save just because of enyaweni umnandi, but enye into futhi engigcina ngayo my leader, Matthews end product kumele alungise finishing yakhe. Uma ungabheka decision making yawathatha ama-riding I'm a defender on, we are going to cut her in, but final third is poor.
Bobo, last question. Do you think Mamelodi Sundowns goes through? One answer. Do you think Mamelodi Sundowns goes through to the knockout stages?
Yes.
I believe Mamelodi Sundowns will go through to the knockout stages myself. Thank you very much. Kamala Mulindo, Pep, Nobobzin. This is Itiski TV, Itiski Times, Well Sports Betting. Boom.
Hola. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan Bafuyetui, Kamala Mulindo, Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafuyetui, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.